Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jashruti Singh, first year derma resident in ANMCH Gaya. So since today is 31st, it is high time for a strategy video. Smart people who have already done their first reading are actually in a good place right now. You will start with your second reading in April and third reading in May. So by the time you reach June, you will have 15 days for one solid revision. People who are starting right now, you have to do your first reading in April. Say in 30 to 40 days you have to finish with your first reading, so you have 20 days for your second reading and 15 days for your third reading. So first things first is the source, and I strongly recommend whatever app you have followed in your final year or in your MBBS till now, you have to follow the same app. अगर मैरो से पढ़ रहे थे, switch to rapid revision of मैरो. अगर prep से पढ़ रहे थे, switch to rapid revision of prep. No long form videos. You will not have time to revise any long form videos. No long form content. Only rapid revision. You can supplement it with BTR, or you can use BTR as your main source and supplement it with rapid revision. Either way is fine. Either way works. Either way is good. Second thing, start doing your previous year questions right now. You have to solve at least 5 years NEET paper, 3 years FMG paper, and at least 3 years INI set paper. Whatever extra points you find in your previous year questions, keep writing it in your rapid revision and consolidate everything in one place so that you will have one easily revisable source before your exams. One thing that will actually change your preparation is being a fast reader. Notes leke aise baithe mat raho. Start your day with previous year questions, then set a timer for one unit per hour, and then read your notes in a structured way. Read your notes as 1 unit per hour, and then move on to the next subject as soon as possible. And one final advice is stick to one source. बार बार अपना source मत change करो. FOMO में मत जाओ. You will not be able to read everything. Even if you have read everything, you will not be able to revise everything, and then you'll be in trouble. Stick to rapid revision notes of one particular coaching, and the next thing you can do is practice 100 to 200 questions every day, because everybody who has given NEET PG 2024 knows that not everything will come from your notes. You will only get like 100 to 120 questions from your notes. बाकी 80 questions में तुम्हें अपनी MCQ solving skills strong करनी पड़ेगी. You will need it. So the best thing you can do is solve at least 100 to 200 questions every day. जो क्वेश्चन गलत हो रहे हैं उन्हें वापस नोट से जाओ, नोट से रिवाइज करो. It is a skill. प्रैक्टिस कर करके सीखेंगे. So every day you have to do 100 to 200 questions. You have to see कि क्या गलती हो रही है, कहाँ गलती हो रही है, what is your weak subject, what is your weak topic, and you have to work on that, and you have to fill your loopholes every day. Since time is less, you have to start giving your GTs. You have to practice कि 3.5 घंटे बैठ पा रहे हो कि नहीं, स्ट्रेस में एक्चुअली आंसर सोच पा रहे हो कि नहीं, कैन यू लाइक रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली, कि नॉट नहीं पढ़ा, ये नॉट नहीं पढ़ा, वेदर नहीं पढ़ा, नॉट एक्सेप्ट की जगह कोई और आंसर लगा दिया, options nahi pade, you can't rule out. All these problems will come. You have to face them right here and now before going to your exams. GTs, start giving your GTs as soon as possible. Ideally 1 GT per week is good. Second thing, ideally 1 GT per week is good. Set so high expectation for yourself कि पहला GT देंगे ऐसे 150 सही हो जाएगा, which is not true. Okay, the maximum score that you will get in your first or your baseline GT is 80 to 100 questions, right? Be kind to yourself.